Having color printing issues with your HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP M477fdw? That's a common problem with color laser printers, but luckily, there are several things you can try to fix it. Are all colors affected, or just one? Example, only yellow is printing faint, or all colors are off. What do the prints look like? Example, faded, streaky, blotchy, wrong colors, missing colors. Fix this color problem replacing the toner cartridges. Replacing the toner cartridges in your HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP M477fdw is a straightforward process.